Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And no, this is not a yoga class. Welcome to Ulysses Chess Lessons, and today we're going to be filming this with a very special guest and a very good friend of mine, the knight. It is a very, very special piece because when it moves, it is the only piece that can jump over pieces. And remember to always take notes, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Thousands of years ago, there was a very special and fierce war between Greece and Troy. It was a very long war, but Greece had a very smart king. His name was Ulysses. That's my name. He was a very smart and strategic king. While the war was going on, he sent Troy a giant wooden horse to Troy. And next day, Greece's ship and army all sailed away. Now Troy must think, wow, we've won. Look, they gave us a gift, a big wooden horse. And they celebrated all night long. But during the night, what was inside the wooden horse was very spectacular. There were hidden people inside. There were hundreds of people hidden inside from the Greek army. So, when Troy all went to sleep, the Greek army went to Troy's palace and burned Troy down. Come on, my men! Come on, my men! Go! Go! Burn Troy down! Oh no, the Greeks took us by surprise. Oh, come on! Defend our castle! Oh, come on! Heave! Oh no! Oh, I can already see the angel. Oh, mercy. So, Greek won this war. Greek won the Trojan War. But how? Did Greek have a bigger army? Did they have more weaponry? Did they have a bigger defense, a bigger structure? No. Greek won because they were smarter and more strategic. This implies to your chess game, because in chess, you don't need to worry about what you have. You need to worry about what's happening right now in your position. You need to think about all the tactics, and you try to be strategic in your game to win. So, you want to be Greek or you want to be Troy? So the knight is a very powerful piece, especially in the opening. For example, look at this opening. White goes e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, a pretty natural opening, bishop c4, bishop c5, and now instead of castling, knight goes to g5. Why does knight go to g5? Well, first attacking the f7 pawn. The f7 pawn is very vulnerable since it's only defended by one piece, which is the king. So, if black tries to chase away the knight can actually attack f7. Look at this. If bishop attacks f7, it will only check the king. But when the knight attacks f7, this is one of the important strategies. It's called the fork. It attacks two pieces at once. The knight attacks the queen and attacks the rook. So black would probably move the queen here, and white could take the rook. Here's another position that you need. Remember when I said you need to be tactical and strategic? Well, look at this position, for example. What would you do? Well, to be strategical, you can see that the rook is pointing right here on this pawn. But why would this rook sacrifice just for this pawn? I mean, this pawn is only 1 point, and the rook is worth 5 points. Well, look over here. If the king takes back on the rook, where can the knight go? As I said, remember, a fork, attacking two pieces or more at once. The knight can go to e6, checking the king but also attacking the queen and the bishop. Mainly you want to take the queen because the queen is worth 9 points. So if the king moves to f7, then you can take the queen with the knight. Remember, the knight is a very tricky piece and it can jump to a lot of places. So you just need to know how to use the knight. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned a lot about the power of the knight. So, if you want to be great and learn more about chess, please consider subscribing. Thank you.